guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Teamsterz. These are the Street Series. Wow, check them out. We have 3 different sets. This is the police set. There's a helicopter, a police car, a police van, a police tow truck, and even a SWAT team. Here we have the fire department. It comes with a fire department boat, a fire department car, an ambulance, a fire truck, and a special fire truck. Finally, we have the construction vehicles. These mighty machines are really cool. There's a power crane, an engine, a front loader, and a dump truck. First, we're going to open our police vehicles. Let's look at each one. Here's the police helicopter. Wow, that helicopter is really neat. Check out this tow truck. Wow, he's a mighty machine. Off he goes. Wow, that's a SWAT car. Look at the sirens on top. Here's a police van. Away he goes. And finally, we have the police cruiser. Next, let's check out the fire department. Here's the rescue boat. Wow, I love the colors. He also has wheels on the bottom so he can roll just like our other cars. Here's a fire department cruiser. He's so neat. The ambulance is really important too. So fun! This fire truck has a ladder that extends. It also raises up. We have one more fire truck. Now let's open these mighty machines. Look at this power crane. It's got an extendable ladder too that can raise up. Look at this steamroller. here's the front loader. Our last mighty machine is this really neat dump truck. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.